How's it going? James the Game Reviews here. So I've got here a pack of 12 random Lego men. Let's see what we got. We got trash or treasure. You know, I don't know. Let's see what we got. Hoping for pirates. I will not be irate if we don't. Okay, we got first one. The hell is that? Let's pour them out. I've got the pot here so I don't lose them. Okay, we got a hell is that, a diving hat? Part of a diving bell? We got policeman. Okay, that's good. And we got another policeman. Oh, it's a backpack. That's cool. Appears to be an ostrich claw. Shovel. Microphone. There's another claw there. And what we got here? Looks like another policeman. Workman, is it? It's not the one from the Lego movie. And a criminal. Okay. And what's this accessory? Ooh, gold bar. I can live with that. What's in the next pile of so random men? Oh, there's a megaphone. And a shovel. I don't know what shovel's got to do with policemen. So we got black metal, megaphone. I love HLC. I don't know what that is. I'll have to research that. Oh, some kind of gun. Oh, different. This is a fire lady. Weird. Okay, weird hat. Another backpack. This seems to be a fireman in a respirator. Oh, it's a Batman. It's Batman. That's cool. I don't have any interest in Batman, but it's cool. He hasn't got the cape, of course, but it's weird how he's got a line on his head there. Yeah, Batman. That's cool. Walkie-talkie. Yeah, it's a staple. Race guy. Vita Rush. Orange juice. Red cup. And it's a little tiny kid. A little tiny skater kid. Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's a sort of diving thing. Got holes to put some accessories on. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't know what the claws are about, but I can. I like the bags. They're open, so you can put stuff in. Let's just test this bag. Yeah, I can make that work. I can use this. A gold bar would be incredibly heavy to carry in a backpack. I'll put the weight of a gold ingot on the screen.